Hi, I'm Eric. Welcome to the battery shop. The battery in this 2009 Mastercraft X2 is just located under the rear seats, and it's not too hard to get to. But before we begin, we recommend that you always check with the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to be sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, and you don't forget anything, so we can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a boat. And here's how it's done. The first step is to turn the key to the off position. And if there's a master switch, be sure it's set to off. Next, you're going to want to remove the seats to access the batteries. If your boat has them, the next step is to remove the battery covers. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to loosen the fastener from the negative battery cable. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable. And remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Now we can remove the old battery. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the replacement battery, positive terminal, and tighten the fastener. If the battery cables have clamps, don't pound them on, as this can cause internal battery damage. Now we can install the replacement battery. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And tighten the fastener. Next, we can reinstall the battery cover and hold down strap. If your boat has more than one battery, repeat this procedure. Finally, we can reinstall the seat cushions, and we're done.